Hey my babies, it's your girl MzDDollars. So today I decided to do a look that matches my shirt. Yes, it says Bull City. That's where I'm from, so you know I had to represent. Also, if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for coming back. So let's get into this video, shall we? Okay ladies, so we're going to use the MacBook eyeshadow palette. This is from the Crayon case. As you can see, I'm going to be using the red, coral, and blue shades out of this palette. I've already did one side. I'm going to now do my eyebrows and come back on camera. Alright, so that's done. I'm applying the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the shade C1. I'm putting that on my eyelid and then I'm going to blend it out. As you see, your girl had the little munchies and little some. So I needed me some salt and vinegar chips. Now, moving on. Here I'm using the red eyeshadow and I'm placing that right into my crease. So because I did not set the concealer, I'm using this eyeshadow to basically take that step, set the concealer. You want to pat it in first and then blend it out later. So here I've taken the blue shadow and I'm just going to put that right beneath the red and I'm going to blend that into the red. If that makes any sense. But yeah, just keep on watching. So now I've dipped into that coral shade and I'm using a dome blender brush. I want to take that on top of the red eyeshadow because I want to blend that out. It was a harsh line and I need a color to blend it out. Yeah, blend till your wrists fall off. Blend, blend, blend. Alright, so here I have micellar cleansing water. What I want to do is make a cut crease with the micellar water. This is to remove any eyeshadow that is on my lid. I don't want it transferring onto the concealer when I actually do cut the crease because the color will fade into the concealer. I want my concealer to be white. That didn't come out right. I want my concealer to stay white, so I'm just taking this micellar water and carving out the crease. Now I'm taking the concealer and actually making the crease, and as you can see, the white is so pigmented. If I did not take that micellar water, it would have been pinkish and blue, and we didn't want that. Get your little dance on, hey. So here I have Mayo Makeup's Pigments. I'm going to use this purple, this coral, and this blue. I do have a code with Mayo Makeup. It will be linked in the description box along with all the other product details. So here I'm going to apply the purple. Following the purple, I will be putting the coral on the middle and then I will place the blue on the outside. So I'll let you watch and I'll be back in a few. So seeing that I don't like cleaning brushes, I'm going to use that same brush. I'm going to use my brush cleaner and yeah. My son all in my video, just walking across the video looking like Dee Dee, you know, trying to invade on somebody's, you know, shine a little bit. Just playing. I don't know what he was doing, but yeah, I had to tell him I was still recording. He said something about some food. I told him to wait. Just you sit down and wait. Alright, so back to the video. That coral is popping. You see how use a lighter concealer. That will definitely help with your colors being more pigmented. And also these pigments are just bomb anyway. So technically I didn't need the white concealer, but you know, just in case I used it anyway. Is what it is. So I'm making sure that I have all the pigments placed where I want it to be. I want it to, you know, swoop that thing. So here I'm going to take the white out. eyeliner. This is by Crayon Case as well. I struggled with this white liner, honey. I had to use a paintbrush that I bought from Walmart because the applicator, I don't know, in my hand, it just won't mix in. Something just won't right, okay? So I struggled for about 20 minutes, literally. And mind you, this is like the second time I did this look. Yeah, had to wipe that eye off and do it all over. So right here, I'm taking, this is the, what liner is this? This is the e.l.f. liner, the e.l.f. black liquid eyeliner. And I love this applicator, I really do. The difference between this applicator and the whiteout applicator from Crayon Case is this one is kind of short. It's flimsy, so you can work with it. The Crayon Case, the applicator is long. It's thin, it's long. And I don't know, I just haven't mastered it yet. So I did the liner off camera. These are the lashes that I will be using, and they are from Kharismatic Designs Boutique. That is my boutique. It's linked in the description box. Bam! That girl is gorgeous. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. So let me go do this face off camera, and voila. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up button. See you next time. Bye.